Let's begin our learning journey and hop on to the topic.
Let's explore another AI tool today, which is Google Gemini. While compiling this video, I was getting really excited and overwhelmed, as Gemini has so many and such powerful features. There's so much to talk about. I will probably make multiple videos on Gemini. For now, let's start with basics. This is the Google Gemini Home Screen, and here is where most of the magic happens. We will come to this for more details. Meanwhile, let's explore the left-hand side. This menu can be expanded to see all options. The first is the new chat, which is the same home screen we are on. Here is where we can ask queries and get results. All of such query history is stored in the recent panel here. The settings and help option allows further customizations. The activity option allows to keep all your activities like history, so that you can pick up older chats at a later point of time. You can also choose to keep this option off, or even delete activities as necessary. Saved info option allows to share info about your preferences, so that Gemini can remember them for future chats. Example would be having a preference only for vegetarian food. Connected apps allows Gemini to access Gmail, Google Calendar, etc. It can also combine Google Flights, Google Hotels and YouTube information to provide reference and relevant contents. Your public links option allows to share the chats, prompts, responses, and it even helps to manage them. Theme allow to change the display to a light or dark theme as per preference. View subscriptions allows to manage or purchase new upgraded subscription as required. You can provide your feedback, if any, by using Send Feedback. There's also Help Center for resources related to Gemini usage. This is the Gems section. Gems are customized Gemini AI assistants, pre-filled with customized instructions with specific roles or for a specific purpose, so that we do not have to repeat those information again. We can also upload information files as reference. These are the gems pre-made by Google: Career Guide, Storybook, Brainstormer, Chess Champ. Let's explore one of these for more clarity. The Career Guide. On clicking, it offers to provide detailed plan to refine your skills. Let me click on this one, how to prepare for a job interview with behavioral questions. And it gives all this information, which one can follow to get more insights. You can further ask it more questions to get further clarity. Here it is checking if I approve of this plan or want to make any changes to it. Accordingly, it will provide me a revised plan. I can just say OK and it will proceed with more details. However, for now, I only want more clarity on the star method, so I will type that and it will give me all related details. With this, we have also started using the prompt or the query input box to interact with Google Gemini. We can continue to ask questions and get answers. Let us now go ahead and create our own Gemini AI assistant. A new gem, Travel Gem. During creation, I can provide a set of information that I would like the AI assistant to consider each time it responds to my query. Since this is a travel AI assistant, I want it to remember to give me plans for 3-person always. I want all journeys starting from Mumbai, India. I want it to give me rates in Indian currency. So on and so forth. Once you have added all your details, you can save, and your AI assistant is created and ready for use. Let's use a newly created travel gem. I would like a travel plan for Dubai in December 2025. I have given it very minimal information. However, it does have the instructions and specifics I had provided while creating the gem. So it will be using all those details while providing the response. As expected, it has used those instructions, and it has given me a travel plan for 3 adults departing from Mumbai, India, with all costs in Indian rupees. It has given flight options, hotel options along with cost and ratings. It has given me additional information on within-city travel options like metro, taxis. Also, it has given me details on places to visit like best malls. shopping places and markets. I am satisfied that it was able to combine all the preset information given while providing the travel plan. You can also share this information by exporting it to Google Docs or sending it as draft in Gmail to be sent as email to intended recipient. With this, we have now covered the Google Gem option. Now we are back at the home screen, from where we can ask Gemini any query through this query input box to get appropriate responses. Let's understand the various options on this screen. On the top left, you can choose from two of the Gemini models. 2.5 Flash is the default, free, limitless usage model for fast all-around help, and 2.5 Pro is the advanced model for reasoning, math and code, with limited number of free query per day. Google was offering free upgrade to Google AI Pro at zero cost for a month. For now, I am not sure how long this offer will be valid. However, as of October 2025, it was available. Users should definitely avail this opportunity to understand the true power of 2.5 Gemini Pro. For now, I will keep it to the default 2.5 Flash model. Moving on to the query input box in the center of the screen. It has an option to upload files for reference if one would like to provide more information while asking a query. Next to it is the Tools option, which opens up features like Deep Research, Create Image, Canvas and Guided Learning. You will also see these options are again available down here, which has the same functionality. On clicking Deep Research, we can see suggestions of what it can be used for, like these given here. On clicking Create Image, we can see suggestions like these. Canvas can be used for write-related tasks and build-related tasks. You can see both those options here. On clicking Write, it gives suggestions, like writing email or writing summary of a book. On clicking Build, it shows related tasks like building a game or a website. On clicking Canvas from here, we can see the combined suggestions on Write and Build. Next is the Guided Learning, which can be used for solving a math problem or brainstorm ideas for short stories and even reviewing our written work. Now that we are familiarized with all the screen options, let's look at how we can use Deep Research. Deep Research is a feature which can browse through various web pages to compile the required information for in-depth research projects. This can be used when you want information on complex topics, requiring thorough analysis from various perspectives. Let's say we need deep knowledge on the topic Application of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning in Environmental Engineering. I ask it on Deep Research, and we see that there are certain steps it follows to give us the response. It will first put together a research plan. We get to see buttons to edit this given plan. We can click Edit if that is what we want to do. Else, if we are good with what is provided, we can go ahead and click the Start Research button. It proceeds as per the research plan and starts compiling the information from various websites. We are able to see the websites it is using to source the information. And now it has put together a very comprehensive report with vast amount of structured information. This will be very difficult and time-consuming to achieve manually. Once the report is complete, you get options on the top to see the contents. Also, option to share and export to Google Docs is available. There is also a Create option, which helps to convert this information into a web page, infographics, quiz, flashcards, and even an audio overview. We will go ahead with the webpage option. Note that we are in the Deep Research mode currently, but for converting to webpage it will change to Canvas option. We can see the code section with the HTML code getting generated for the web page. Once the process is complete, we see the section toggle to preview, where we can see an interactive web page with charts. You can also see toggle menus for switching between various topic headings within the web page. This link can be shared using the share option. After deep research, let's move ahead with some image generation. We will be using Gemini's best image model, which is the Nano Banana, to create an image. Let's create an image of a banana walking in a park. And I got this image. Now, I have uploaded an image of a bag and would like the banana to hold it. So add in the prompt, "Can the banana hold this bag?" And I have got this modified image as requested. So we saw a new image getting generated and added another image to be combined together. And it worked fine. This is a very simple example to start with. You can do a lot more with Nano Banana with simple text messages. Do explore. I hope this video would have helped you to get started with Google Gemini. Until next time, bye-bye.